What if I told you that in Elk Grove, you can still find brand new homes that are move-in ready, that are large, that are spacious, ranging from 3,600 square feet to about 4,000 square feet. All of that luxury home with high-end finishes, great floor plans, and a lot of incentives built in. All of that you can buy brand new here in Elk Grove without paying the Bay Area prices. Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you two high-end move-in ready homes. One by Taylor Morrison, which is 4,000 square feet. The second home by Risewell, which is 3,636 square feet. One of these homes have 3 master bedrooms, and the second one has 2 master bedrooms. I can't wait to show you these beautiful homes, luxury homes, and we're going to talk about everything from pricing to size to neighborhood to schools and everything that you would want to know as a buyer before making one of these homes your future home. Let's get started. The first house that we're looking at is a massive 4,000 square feet home by Taylor Morrison. The plan name is Chandler. This one is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom home listed at about $1 million. This house has 2 primary bedrooms, 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs, separate guest and dining area. There is also a separate entrance for the multi-gen suite. The 2 doors that you see on your screen right now, the one on the left is the one that takes you into the separate multi-gen entrance, and the main door on the right takes you into the main house. Once you're inside the house, you're welcomed by high ceilings. Since this house has a lot of windows up in the front, this really flows in a lot of natural sunlight into the house. As you come inside, you're welcomed on the left by the separate guest room and also the dining area, which is quite spacious for furniture, for dining table. And on top of that, there is that space there that takes you into the kitchen. And there is a walk-in pantry on the left. And that entrance over there on the other side takes you into the separate family room and separate family dining area. Here is a look into the multi-gen suite. Of course, if you don't open the main front door, which is the separate entrance into the multi-gen, then you have a door through the main house that takes you into the multi-gen suite. Like I said, tons of natural sunlight because of all the windows that this floor plan has. There is a small kitchenette area in the multi-gen suite, mini refrigerator as well. And here is the primary bedroom and bathroom that is located on the first floor. Quite a bit of spacious bedroom, has a walk-in closet, and of course it has an attached full bathroom. Multi-gen suites are actually pretty much in demand here in Elk Grove because we have a lot of families that are multi-generational, perhaps elderly parents living in the family, or perhaps you have an adult child who needs a separate area within the home. Multi-gen are really catering to those specific needs of our clients. And in case this is not a multi-gen suite and the builder is providing a separate option, then you would basically have a third car garage here, but you still would have a full primary bedroom downstairs. It's just the space that you saw with a ton of windows. That would be your third car garage. Coming to the right side of the house, there is this mini hallway that takes you into the door that leads you into the 2-car garage. In addition to that, there is half a bathroom located downstairs, known also as the powder room, which is obviously different from the master primary bedroom that is located downstairs. Little sneak peek into the front entrance where we just came from. And towards the right, this is where you're welcomed into the spacious open floor plan, which is considered to be a family room and a separate family dining area. And this is what I meant by earlier in the video, that this home has a separate guest room and a separate guest dining area, which is on the other side, which is also accessible by the hallway that you see next to the kitchen cabinetry. Talking a little bit about the kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, beautiful backsplash. Taylor Morrison is known to be one of the premier builders here in Elk Grove because they have the largest home, which is the 4,000 square feet home that you're looking at. Stainless steel appliances. You would, of course, get the microwave, the oven, and the dishwasher. All the other appliances are not standard included in the price. And of course, you'll have a gas range also. Again, a lot of space for in this 4,000 square feet home. And since this is only 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, the rooms are very spacious. The family room, family dining, the guest room, guest dining are very, very spacious areas in this house. In addition to that, there is, of course, walk-in pantry. We're going to take you upstairs in the next minute or so to show you the additional 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms that are located upstairs. Before we do so, let's talk a little bit more about Taylor Morrison. Taylor Morrison built a lot of homes in this area of 95757 zip code in Elk Grove. They are towards the tail end of construction completion, meaning they only have a few homes left. So if you are looking for the largest home in Elk Grove, which is new construction, brand new home, 4,000 square feet, like the home that you're seeing in the video today, do not delay because there are only a handful of these homes left as Taylor is near construction completion. As soon as you walk upstairs, you are welcomed by the big spacious loft upstairs. Loft is also another one of those features that are highly desired by new construction clients because folks either use it as a home office, maybe a separate play area for their kids, or they also sometimes use it as a separate entertainer room with maybe a home theater, video games, whatever fancies your interest. On the other side of the loft is you're welcomed into the primary main bedroom that is located on the second floor. And this is the second master bedroom that this house has to offer. Again, very spacious. We're going to show you the walk-in closet as well. There's actually 2 of them. They call them him and her closets. There is also separate sink area, which means there's 2 of them, one on the left, one on the right. There's a standing shower, there's a bathtub, and like I mentioned, there are 2 walk-in closets in this primary bathroom. Talking a little bit more about Elk Grove. Elk Grove is one of the fastest growing suburbs here in California because the city has a lot to offer. City has great schools. City has seen tremendous growth over the last many years. And on top of that, city is very strategically located where downtown Sacramento is accessible within 30 minutes. And you can also access any major Bay Area city all the way from San Francisco to perhaps San Jose within an hour and a half to 2-hour drive time. So we have a lot of folks here who are in that hybrid work culture where they might be buying a larger home in Elk Grove and perhaps commuting to the Bay Area maybe once, maybe twice a week at tops, which is very, very manageable as a lot of the new buyers buying in the Elk Grove city are actually either remote workers or hybrid workers. Coming on to the other side of the second floor, this is one of the other bedrooms that is located upstairs. So now this is the 3rd total bedroom that you're seeing in this house. As soon as you walk outside of this bedroom, you have the full hallway bathroom on the left. In addition to this bathroom, we are also going to show you the laundry area that is located on this side of the second floor and also wrap it up with the 4th bedroom that is located in this house, making it a total of 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. From a builder incentives perspective, this house that is $1 million is discounted. In addition to that, there is also 4.99 30-year fixed rate that Taylor Morrison is offering, so do take advantage of that. Let's wrap up this home tour and show you the second larger home tour that we have planned for you today, which is by Risewell Homes. Here we go with our second largest new construction home available in Elk Grove. This one, like I said, is by Risewell Homes, Plan 5003. This house is 5 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms. 3,636 square feet of living space on about 6,500 square foot lot, priced a little over $1 million. This home, the unique thing is it has 3 primary bedrooms. You heard that right. 3 primary master bedrooms, and the house also has a 3-car garage. Similar to the previous model home, actually it wasn't really a model home, it was a move-in ready home. This house also has high ceilings, so tons of natural sunlight flowing in here as well. And for this home, we're going to start with the open floor plan area that is located between the kitchen and the family room. Very, very spacious. Hopefully you can see that this is actually really massive as I'm walking around with my camera to capture this open floor plan. It is quite a bit of lengthy and one of the biggest we have seen. Talking about the kitchen, Risewell Home is one of the newer builders in the area, so they have a reputation to maintain. Therefore, they are considered to be one of the luxury home builders in the city. Their prices are negotiable, so don't be thrown off by the large price tag. When you work with the local realtor, we can really draw real life examples around how much they would be willing to go to sell a home that they have move-in ready. Again, coming back to the kitchen, beautiful stainless steel appliances, backsplash, you have laminated, hardwood flooring, tons of natural sunlight flowing into this house as well, due to the large glass door and also the large glass windows that are located in the family room. Talking a little bit more about Risewell, they are very price conscious and they know they are one of the most premium builders in the city. So they are offering a lot of incentives regarding closing cost assistance, lowered prices, and also fixed interest rate discounts as well, which we will talk about a little bit later in the video. But for now, let's talk about this beautiful, beautiful home. So as we are coming back into the hallway, you have the garage entrance on the right, additional cabinetry there, and you have the separate dining room area here. This house actually also comes with a multi-gen option. Let's say if you were to not have this dining area and actually have the separate multi-gen suite, then this is the area that would be converted into the family room for the multi-gen, which would also have a small kitchenette as well. So that option is available to you, but since this isn't situated to be a true multi-gen, this side of the house towards the front, we have half a bathroom located in the hallway, and right next to that half a bathroom is the second primary bedroom that is located in this house, which is on the ground floor. We're going to show you the other 2 primary bedrooms that are located on the second floor. But on the ground floor, of course, you have attached bathroom, which has a standing shower, and also have a decent sized bedroom, which is kind of considered a multi-gen, but it's not really because it doesn't have a separate sort of family room in the multi-gen like we saw in the previous home where there were a ton of windows. But this can be that option if you need it, but we are just showing you a non-multi-gen option just from a comparison perspective. Coming out of that mini hallway again towards the front of the house, now we're gonna go upstairs and show you the remaining 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms that are located. Out of the 4 bedrooms, 2 are primary master bedrooms, and the remaining 2 bedrooms share a hallway full bathroom. Coming upstairs, I like how the area is also separate in this model home, similar to what we saw in the last home. We're gonna walk into the primary bedroom first and show you the large bedroom size and also all the upgrades that Risewell has put into this move-in ready home that are in the bathroom in terms of cabinetry and also countertops, and also the large walk-in closet that's also located in this house. Talking a little bit more about Elk Grove in general, the city is heavily investing in the 95757 zip code where a lot of this new construction is happening. The schools are great, so elementary, middle, and high, all 3 schools that are going to be touching these 2 homes are ranked 9 and 10 out of 10. So high school rating available. from a neighborhood's perspective, this area of Elk Grove is called the Arbor Ranch. We have Taylor Morrison here as the builder. We have Risewell. We also have Lennar, and they're also wrapped up as well. So this area is completely brand new infrastructure, brand new schools, brand new parks, brand new roads. In addition to purchasing a brand new home, you will also be getting brand new infrastructure from everything that I just mentioned. Coming into this bedroom, which is the third primary bedroom, third master bedroom in this house. As you can see through the window, this house also comes with a pretty decent driveway as well. Here is a sneak peek into the third master bedroom. That also has the attached bathroom, also has walk-in closet. So far, I have seen you 3 bedrooms in this house, and all 3 bedrooms so far has been master bedrooms. So let's come on to the other side of the second floor and show you the remaining 2 bedrooms in this house that also have a full hallway bathroom in the middle between the 2 homes, or between the 2 bedrooms, I should say. Coming into this specific bedroom that is more on the front of the house, also has a walk-in closet, very spacious as well. And like I said, similar to the previous home, we have the full hallway bathroom and also the laundry area in the house. Bunch of cabinetry in the laundry area as well for additional storage. Here is a quick sneak peek into the full-sized hallway bathroom. And we're now going to show you the 5th bedroom that is available as part of this floor plan. I alluded to builder incentives a little bit earlier. Risewell is offering price discounts. They are also offering 30-year fixed rate and also up to 100% closing cost assistance. So make sure you work with the local realtor who understands what each of these builders are offering so you don't leave any money on the table. This was our second home by Risewell. The previous one was by Taylor Morrison. Before we wrap up the video today, let's talk about a few other important things I would like for you to know. Here is one thing that most people don't realize when they're buying a new construction home. Choosing the floor plan is just one part of the process. In addition to that, builder is offering a lot of different incentives and it varies by the builder. Some builders are open for price negotiations. Some builders are open to having seller pay or the builder pay all of your closing costs. And some builders are also offering lower rates when it comes to ARM loans, or even in some cases 30-year locked rates as well. Knowing all of that information as a local realtor is immensely helpful to our new clients, because then you don't have to juggle between builder and builder and do any guesswork around what each one is willing to offer. That is why I always recommend partnering with a local realtor who understands what these builders are offering and also which builder is more flexible to negotiations, not just on price, but on incentives as well. Hope you found this video helpful today. If you are considering moving to Elk Grove, California, do consider giving us a call or a text. We have been helping clients move into this beautiful city for the past 8 years. Most of my clients are moving here from the Bay Area, all the way from San Francisco, all the way down to San Jose. Of course, I work with clients moving here from Central California and also Southern California. So that is the bulk of sort of population that's moving into this beautiful city. We, of course, also help people move across the country into this beautiful city as well. So if you are considering a move to Elk Grove, California, do consider giving us a call or a text. My number is in the description of the video. I look forward to helping you make Elk Grove your future home.